All right, here's a quick update. This is NQ Futures. We're finally trying to bounce. We had a nice 4 or 5 day rally. We have a major level that we're trying to regain from the February low and also the November low. We tried to make that double bottom and then we just flushed below it. Here's the overnight pricing. I'm really liking Netflix, Intel, AMD. We can see Netflix is up 0.9%. There's some pretty good news and there's also some good flow that I'm going to get into in a second. And look at this daily on Netflix. Doesn't really get better than this. We have that gap up and then like a 4-week consolidation, and now it's pushing higher again. And it just got a really nice move the past few hours overnight. More Iran news. They're trying to work on a 45-day ceasefire, so that could be a reason futures regained pretty much everything. Also, here's a Netflix weekly chart. Just a beautiful bull flag. And Netflix just raised their prices again. You can see pretty much every time they raise their prices, the stock tends to follow higher. So this could be really bullish for Netflix. Highly recommend you follow TrendSpider. They have some really good charts. And some more really interesting news. Netflix will live stream the Artemis flyby of the moon tomorrow. The stream will begin at 1 p.m. Eastern. So that could be the reason for the spike overnight here. Netflix had a good day Thursday, up over 3%. And it's up around 1% overnight. So Netflix is expanding its offerings to live sports and other events, potentially increasing revenue. Also, if you follow me on X, you'll see that I posted some Netflix flow, which is crazy because I never see Netflix flow on Trade Flash. I think this is the first time ever. We had 235K, 846K, and then 284K again. 2 of those were last week expiration, but the last one was April 10th expiration. So they are expecting more follow through. Also, unlike an AMD, the daily chart, it's finally trying to break out again. So is Intel. There's that huge gap, and then there's just the all-time high right above. So the market's looking decent. Obviously, the Iran news plays a huge role. Nvidia looks pretty decent as well. There was some big call flow coming in for 410, 2 million, and then 750K. And then another leap that expires in July for 2.5 million. So Netflix will be the main watch for next week. Hoping this daily chart can break out here.